Hello, and thank you for your interest in graduate business programs here at Cal State Long Beach. So this video will focus on completing the 4 quadrants of the Cal State application. So first I want to begin with an overview of the 4 quadrants. So we're going to have personal information, academic history, supporting information, and program materials. And each quadrant is going to have its own set of sections, which I'll go into in just a sec. So the first quadrant is going to be personal information. So this is where you would include the contact information, which is the best place where we would be able to contact you at. This includes a phone number and an email address. Additionally, you'll put in some demographic information in this section here. Under the second quadrant, you will focus on your academic history. So it's going to be broken down into 4 sections, which is your colleges that were attended, transcript entry, GPA entries, and standardized tests. So under colleges attended, you'll be required to submit all colleges that you have attended, even if you did not graduate from that particular school. And then for the transcript entry, you'll only want to put in courses that are in progress or planned for a future semester. Select the I am not adding any transcripts if you don't have any in progress or planned coursework. For GPA entry, just enter your GPA information to the best of your abilities. Since you will be submitting a transcript directly to the university as part of your application, you won't need to put that in if you're not aware of what your GPA might be. This is especially for students that are international which may have a different GPA criteria than the U.S. system. Lastly, you'll want to include any standardized tests, so the GMAT or the GRE test results if you've already taken them, or you can enter the date that you plan to take the test if you have not taken them yet. Under quadrant 3, you'll want to include any supporting information. So the first 2 sections of quadrant number 3, you actually may opt out of. Those are experiences and achievements. Since you are submitting a resume or a CV, you don't need to submit those under that section as well. You just have to upload your resume during the 4th quadrant. As for the statement of purpose, in this case, what you'll want to do is you will want to write, I will submit my video SOP directly to the department. So this way, in the application, you'll be indicating that the video is what you will be submitting to us directly. Which brings us to the 4th quadrant, which is all the program materials. So in an earlier video, I did mention all the materials that you would need to prepare for applying for our graduate business programs. And I'm just going to go into a little bit of depth here on what to do. So the first one would be the document section. So that's where you'll be submitting your resume or your CV. And then under recommendations, you will be adding the 2 emails for your recommenders. So although 2 are required, you are permitted to add up to 3 recommenders. And then under the video statement of purpose, under the question section, you'll be providing us with your video statement of purpose. So here's where you would provide the link to either your YouTube, Vimeo, or iMovies account. Please make sure that the video is shareable and that it's not locked, because it is very common for students to have their videos set to private. This way, our department will be able, we can ensure that we'll be able to view and access your video statement of purpose. Lastly, there'll be a set of questions, under questions, regarding test waivers, work experiences, and then current industry for your employment. And if you come across any issues while you're completing your application, you're more than welcome to contact our office. So you may contact us via phone, email, or by visiting us at Cal State Long Beach in CBA room 363. We wish you the very best of luck as you pursue your graduate degree.